this is 3/8, ½ inch. You'll need an extension and a ratchet. I got some twine here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I got a loop on the one end, and I'm going to, when I'm ready to split this, I'm going to tie this up to the rafter here somewhere, so that when it splits, it won't just collapse on the floor. It's self-explanatory. It's just 2 bolts on this particular model. So let me take these out. So it seems here at least that we're going to be getting some more snow, which I am not happy about at all. I think I've forgotten what summer looks like or feels like. Seems like this winter there's no end to it. So when you get, I'll pause it because, hey, let's face it, you're smarter than I am. You don't need to watch me take those bolts out. When I get the cover off, then we'll start on trying to split the blower. So I got the cover off, as you can see. Maybe you can't see, I don't know, but anyway, we got the cover off. Now we're going to try and split let me see if I can't get better. Put this up there. I'm running out of space. So right where the light is the bolts I was showing you, just slightly behind the wheel here. Okay. All right. Crap. Oh boy. All right. Got that loose. Do the other side, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the twine that I got here, and there. We do need it to fall down a bit, so let's say that much. So there. Hopefully that works. Oh, man, fucking heat. Sure, if you gotta take them out completely, the ½ inch ones, or if you just bring them, you know, out so far, and but we will find out. Sorry about getting in your way, guys, but we don't have a whole lot of room here in this little storage shed. And my workshop, it's It's I don't have a ramp to put something like this up in there, so. And now I have no idea how this comes apart, but I'm assuming that you got to take out those bolts completely. Alright. Alright. These are out, same length. Now, what is okay, so I am assuming that one has to come off too. Alright. So I'm gonna, I don't know if you can see this, mostly what I'm shining the light on here, this bolt right here. I think that has to come out as well. So I'm going to take those out, one on each side, and we'll come back. So once you take the 2 1/2 inch, the top and the bottom 1/2 inch bolts out, loosen off the small one. Then she was split split in 2. Now, as you can see here, I got to get a socket for this pulley, and I'm trying to, if you can't see down there, but I'm going to see if I can take this pulley off to see what setup is behind the pulley, what kind of bearing, and maybe get a bearing number just in case in the future I'll have it written down. So once I find a socket for that, I'll be right back. So took a bit, but I was thinking this nut here came off, but the nut is welded on to the pulley, and I was thinking that it was a left-hand thread, but it's not. It comes off regular, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So that's the part number for this piece. But now what I'm going to do, you have to put in some wood, you know, to stop the impeller from spinning. And then this goes through a washer. Or can you see that? I still got you on the iPad. Or the tripod. Can't speak today. Anyway, you got this washer, if I can get that out. Anyway, I'm going to take that washer out and get back to you.